The sell-off continues in the market. We're down about 5% from all-time highs. Our portfolio is down around 7.5%. Now, our portfolio only contains about 10 companies. So, of course, we're going to have more volatility than the SP 500 index. But the reason I'm making this video today, I want to talk about a move I made today in the market, as well as two stocks that I am waiting to buy. So, the move that we made today, I trimmed my Google position. It was at 25 shares. Now it's down to 20 shares. And the reason I did this, guys, is last video I talked about Tempus AI and how it's a stock I want to buy. Well, I don't have a lot of cash sitting on the sidelines. I'm pretty much fully invested in this market. So what I did with these funds that I got from selling my 5 shares at Google was put them right in Tempus AI. So now I'm up to 40 shares of Tempus. Tempus is down almost 15% today. That's why I had to take advantage of this drop. And the reason that they dropped is really strange. They announced preliminary revenue of 200 million for Q4, which is amazing. I don't understand why we're getting a sell-off for this. They also announced a full genomic test, XH, I believe is the name of it. But there's nothing about great news coming from this company, so it's really weird. But our portfolio is taking a hit today. We're down about 1.5%. Sell-off. I mean, sell-off is just continuing, guys. I mean, the market's bloody. We're getting, the SP 500. All the indexes are just pulling back. You got inflation fears and interest rate fears and a new administration. So it's a good buy the dip opportunity in my opinion. There's nothing really, breaking happening right now. So we are also coming up on Q4 earnings season. So, if earnings come back good, then I expect the market to just straight back up. But we're also up to 105 shares of HIMS. I bought a tiny bit more. I think I was at 100 shares last video, but I had to add under $25 a share. So now the two stocks that I'm waiting to buy, guys, is Tesla, number one, and Palantir, number two. Two amazing companies, two must-have companies in a portfolio, in my opinion. If you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I used to own Tesla back a while ago when it was around the $160 range. So let's pull up Tesla and let's pull up its 5-year chart. Right. So I've pretty much timed the bottom perfectly here. I bought around here and I sold around here. I sold around $250, $260. And then the rest is history, So anyways, it was a small position, cheap lesson. Also in Palantir, I owned a very, very, very small amount of Palantir at $20 a share. Now it's at 64. I sold around 50. So now these stocks are very, very expensive when you look at it today and their current earnings. But when you're building a portfolio focused on future growth and really trying to capitalize on artificial intelligence and just the future of technology, I believe Tesla and Palantir are just must-haves. It's more expensive to not own it than it is to own it. And what I mean by that is, the gains that you can miss out on by not owning these companies is huge. It outweighs paying a premium for these companies. So what I would love to see is while I build up my positions in Tempus, more HIMS, more SoFi, more Hood, while I buy those stocks, hopefully we get a pullback in Tesla and Palantir. Palantir is already down about 20% from all-time highs, around $65 a share, but I still think it's very, very expensive. I don't think it's cheap by any metrics. Is it a great company? Absolutely. Is it growing revenues at an extremely fast rate? Absolutely, about 30%. But it's just way too expensive right now, guys. So I would love to pick up Palantir between $40 and $50 a share. Will it get there? I doubt it. We'll see. If it does, I will definitely be adding to it. Tesla, I would like to get it between $200 to $300 a share. So it needs to fall another 25%. Which is possible. Tesla has its wild swings. So that's really the moves I'm making. Transmedics, guys. Transmedics is getting beaten up. They had a short report the other day of a $0 price target from some little Scorpion Capital or whatever. Crazy. Sucks to be a Transmedic investor right now. But yeah, Tempus AI, guys. I'm going crazy over this stock, and I think it'll pay off in the long run. If I can get my entire position built out underneath $40 a share, which is its IPO price, I'd be extremely happy. When you hit that 5-year chart and you see that 1,000, 2,000% since IPO, that's what I expect from this company. So I'm going to try and get this position built out to 50 to 100 shares. I think 100 shares. Build up my SoFi position to 200, 250 shares, HIMS to 200 shares, Hood to 100 shares, and once I get those positions built out, then I'll start adding to those other ones that I mentioned today if they've pulled back a good bit. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys taking the time to watch the video, and take care of yourself, guys.